Hi students, welcome back to the channel. In this session, we will be discussing about cascading style sheets, table background, image properties. So we will discuss everything practically. First of all, you should know in previous 3 to 4 lectures, we have discussed how to make your table more attractive by using cascading style sheet properties. Now we will discuss how to use an image of any size as your table background only. Correct? So let's move to the introduction part first. The background image property specifies the background image of an element. In case of HTML, we have already discussed how to use background image to your body part, right? We have also discussed background image to the form table, correct? Now we are going to use background image with the help of cascading style sheets. This combination is very important for examination point of view. So the background image of the cells can be specified by applying the property to the table TR, that is table row, table data or table heading elements. Okay, so specifically you can add background to your complete table, to your entire table, to a specific row, to specific data cell or to a specific heading as per your requirement. So let's have a look to the syntax. So this is the table, that is the table tag. If you want to use any class, you want to use any ID, you can use any name over here, correct? So this is table, this is background dash image colon url means uniform resource locator. Next we have image, that is back.gif. Okay, so this is what url. Under these brackets you can write the name of your image that you want to use. Also after this dot you can use the extension of your image that you want to use. So name and extensions are very important, correct? So let's move to the practical part. So as you can see here, we have already created a table in last lectures. Let me just run this table for you. Okay, so as you can see here, we have already created a table, correct? Now we have used a background color gray over here, correct? Background color gray. And you can see here in table, we have used background color gray. So other than this, you can also use background image that we are going to discuss in this session. So for this, first you need to remove the background color. Okay, like this. Now let me just add it here. Background image colon, then you need to write the URL, that is uniform resource locator. Start this basic bracket, okay, and after space close this bracket, then semicolon, and sorry, semicolon. Okay, so under these brackets you need to start the double inverted commas, and under these double inverted commas you need to write the name of image. For example, let's say I have this image. Okay, I want to use this image as a background. So what is its name? Its name is back. Right click on this image, go to properties. Okay, so there is no need to copy the location in case of CSS if you have already copied this image to the same folder, correct? So there is no need to write the location, just you need to copy the name, that is back. So copy this back dot ke baad you need to add the extension, that is .jpg. So .jpg is the extension here. Save this program and refresh your code. Okay, right? So I hope this is clear to all of you. This is how you can make use of background image properties to your table. So as you can see here students, we have changed the entire background image. We have changed the entire background of this particular table. Now, as in this theoretical section, we have discussed if you want to use the table data or table heading, you can apply this particular statement to any of the tag. For example, in table heading, if I want to use one more background image. Okay, so background image, start this bracket, inverted comma, space, close this bracket, inverted comma and semicolon. Okay, so now I have one more image, that is BGIMG. This is my new image. Okay, now for this image I would like to add this image as a background for only table heading, that is name, contact and subject के केस में ही मुझे इसको background as a background use करना है. Okay, so for this you need to just right click on this image properties, then BG image, copy this dot png. PNG is what? It is the extension of your image. So save this program and refresh. Okay, so it is not working properly. Let me just check this once again, then I will let you know. So अगर ये image काम नहीं कर रही, so we can change the image right now. Okay, so here I have one more image, that is this, all about CSIT, that is the img one.png. You can see here its properties. Okay, so this is img one.png. img one.png. Let's just save this and refresh the page. So okay, so maybe background image. Okay, so I forgot to write URL here, that's why it is not working, right? So this is minor C mistake. So this is how it works. Okay, let me just again change the image so that it will be easily or clearly visible to all of you. So image that I want to use here is, wait for a second, img2. Okay, let's just use this img2 image. So this is img2.png. Save and refresh. Okay, img2.jpg. Okay, its extension is jpg, not png. jpg. Save and refresh. So this is how it actually works. Correct? So everything you need to know here is, if you want to change the background image of entire table, then you need to write everything under this table tag, that is background image url back.jpg. So remember this, remember to write url every time. Correct? मैंने ये mistake की थी and you can see मेरा program run नहीं हो रहा था. Similarly, for a particular heading, this is table heading only. If you want to change the background color of table heading only, then you need to write background image url to table heading portion. Correct? So now, as you can see here, the text is not clearly visible in the heading section. Okay, so for this, what you can do here is text color, let's say white. Save and refresh. So it is also again not working. Let's make it font color. Save and refresh. Okay, so students, okay, so here there is no need to write font or text, just write color is equals to or colon white. So refresh this page and you can see the results now. Okay, so I hope students everything is clear till now. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. We will discuss this in the next session. So thanks for watching this.